Hello everyone. This is the CBSE SERT Maths first unit. Today we have to see basics concept of circuits, electronic circuits. In a circuits we have to see already we see the one wire, nichrome wire. It's we consider as a resistor. That's it. The resistor means we have to oppose the current. That can oppose the current and it can to give some various changes in the current and voltage. These are happened by the resistor. So in this chapter, how to connect the resistor in a various manner. Various manner is only two manner. One is a series and parallel. That means one resistor is connected with another resistor is a continuously. That means a resistor. When a circuit is completely by connecting the resistor one after the another, the resistor R1 is connected with R2 series manner, that is called a series connection. When resistor connected like this, the effective resistance will be increased. That means the total resistance will be increased. How it will be increased we can to see in later. I have to repeat. The resistance. What is meant by resistance means resistor means a device which have to oppose the electric current, which restrict or resist the current. It means a resistor. Then the resistor we can to connect in a two manner. One is a series and the parallel. What is meant by series means we can to connect the resistor in a one after one. That means in serial connection. So R1 is connected with R2 as in serial. That means one after one. That is a serial connection, series connection. Then if we connected like this now, what will happen to the total resistance? That means effective resistance. Just imagine I will connect it with the one battery. Yeah, I will connected with the one battery. Okay. This is a positive, this is a negative. The current will be flow like this. That means clockwise direction. That means positive to negative. At that time I current will be passing through the circuit. Just imagine here there is a two resistor. If there is a one resistor now, we can calculate the what are the current will passed from the circuit. But here we are connecting the two resistor. We don't know what is a total resistance. Got it? So we have to know about how much of total resistance in this circuit. So that is the effective resistance. If we like connect this uh, mm, like this in series connection, the effective resistance will be increased. How? We have to know that. Okay. Then when resistor is connected in series, the potential difference will get divided. That means wait, I will show you. I connected with the one battery. That means 9-volt battery or 6-volt battery, plus minus it having a one type of voltage. Okay. Now the current will be passed through this circuit. I current will be passes the same current. Here also same current I. Here also same I. But the voltage will be differ. when the when the current passes from R1, that time voltage will be V1. After reach R2, that voltage will be changed into R2. That means the voltage will be changed when we using this serial connection. So they are saying that thing only. When the circuit, when the resistor will be connected like this, at that time, that voltage, the total voltage, that means the potential difference will be divided. That means V equal to V1 plus V2. That it's like a divider. We already know the Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? V equal to IR. That means the voltage equal to current into resistor. So we have to apply for V1 and V2. That means V1 equal to I into R1. That means I will be same in all time. If before a resistance or after a resistor, I will be remains always I remains same. So there is no change on I. That means current. But in a voltage and resistance will be changes. So V1 equal to I into R1 and V2 equal to I into R2. So in the series circuit, already I told in a series current circuit, the voltage across the higher resistance will be greater. Okay, the voltage across the higher resistance will be greater. That means it's a directly proportional. If voltage will be increases, as well as the resistance will be increases. Got it? So it's a directly proportional. If it's increases, it's also increases. The same thing they are telling. If we are using an high resistance, the voltage will be a greater. According to the Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Here R is the effective resistance, the total resistance we are mentioning. So we have to find the total resistance. That is, then just substitute this two equation here. So V equal to IR. I will solve. Already we know that V equal to IR. IR equal to I R1 plus I R2. That is, we have to substitute V1 and V2 values in the first equation. Okay. Then IR equal to IR1 plus IR2. Now what is the common difference here? I is a common. So take it out as common value. I equal to R plus R1 plus R2. What is the same thing will be cancelled. So here I the current will be same, just cancel it. So remaining is R equal to R1 plus R2. That means if the resistance will be connected in series, the effective resistance, if you want to find the effective resistance, just added the both resistance. That means just add all resistance value, resistor value. That means effective resistance is the sum of the resistance of all resistor when they are connected in a series. That's it. If the resistor are in a same value, then effective resistance will be obtained by the multiplicating the resistance of the resistor with the number of resistance. Effective resistance is the sum of the resistance of all resistor. We already know that. Now, if the resistance is the same values in all in the circuit, R1 and R2 will be in same value. If it is happens, it's 2 ohm and 2 ohm. If two resistance are in the same value, just multiply with 2 ohm with number of resistance. That means 2 into 2. That means 4 is the effective resistance. That only they are saying here. Okay. Then what is another type of connection? That is a parallel connection. That means the resistance, the both resistor starting, the both ends are connected with each other. Got it? Is parallelly. The end of the resistor and this end of resistor is connected, and another end of both resistor will be connected in another way. That is the parallel connection. How to make a circuits here? Just attach one battery. Okay, this is. So here the voltage will be same, but current will be different. That means one amount of current will be passes through R1 and some other remaining current will be passed through R2. That means I1 will be passed through R1, I2 is passed through R2. That will happen here. So in this parallel we have to note current value will be different and voltage value will be same. That is, so we have to find effective resistance. Before that we have to calculate the I value. So I1 and I2 will be calculated. After we have to calculate, we have to find R value. So the total current value equal to current passes through R1 plus current passes through R2. So I1 plus I2. So I equal to I1 plus I2. Here we already know the Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? V equal to IR. Now we know I. So we have to replace R from opposite side of the equivalent. Just take it from the other side. Here I and R will be in multiplication. If you get in another side, multiplication will be changed into divide. That means I equal to V by R, right? So I equal to V by R. That means just substitute this equation in the first equation. So I equal to V by R. I1 equal to V divided by R1. That means V will be a same. There is no change in voltage. So just put as it is same v divided by r1. What is meant by I2? That means v divided by r2. So I equal to I1 plus I2 will be changed into for effective effect v divided by r equal to v divided by r1 plus v divided by r2. It will be changed like this. So after that, what is the common value of this? V is a common value. So v into 1 divided by r equal to v into 1 divided by r1 plus 1 divided by r2. So what is the same value, common value? Just cancel it. V are a common. So 1 by r equal to, what are the remaining values of the equation? 1 divided by r equal to 1 divided by r1 plus 1 divided by r2. So just multiply with cross. Okay, so r1 plus r1 into r2 divided by r1 plus r2, just cross multiply. Okay, and divided by multiply the both values of r1 and r2, right? Then how to find the resistor? If it is meant by n number of values, now just same number connected in a parallel equal to r divided by small r divided by n. That is, it will be in decrease. Okay. Then now here one sum. What is the current if 4 ohm and 2 ohm resistor are connected in series and 6 volt potential difference is applied? Just connect the one circuit, 4 volt, 4 ohms and 2 ohm connected with 6 volt battery. Okay, plus minus 4 ohm, 2 ohm. Okay, so this both resistors are connected in a series. How to calculate the total resistance? Total resistance equal to in serial connection equal to just sum of the resistance. That means 4 plus 2 equal to 6 ohm. Then we know already R value and V value. We have to find current value. So current equal to, what is the value? V divided by R. So 6 divided by 6 equal to 1 ohm. That is the current value. Okay. Then now we have to calculate the what is a parallel. If we connect in a parallel, just substitute the equation, the formula, and make it solve. That is, we having a two type of solution. Directly we can use this formula or this formula, make it solve and get an answer. Got it?